The Anti-Bac Mineral Pac is essential to maintaining all the benefits of the Frog Leap system. Frog customers will tell you that replacing the minerals each season or every 6 months is well worth it. It's the key to using half the chlorine and having clear, clean, comfortable water every day in your pool. Replacing the Anti-Bac Mineral Pac is really easy and only takes a few minutes. First, turn the pump off and open the infuser cap. Pull out the old Anti-Bac Mineral Pac. You may hear a few spent mineral particles rattle in the old pack. That's normal. Some inactive minerals are always left behind. Just drop the Anti-Bac Mineral Pac in a plastic garbage bag and place it in your trash. Insert the new mineral pack into the infuser, lining up the fin inside the infuser with the slot on the side of the Anti-Bac Mineral Pac. The mineral pack will drop into place. Remember, the Anti-Bac Mineral Pac is full of time-released active minerals. Effectiveness starts once the minerals are wetted and lasts 6 months. Once removed from water, for instance when winterizing a pool, the minerals are no longer active. You should not reuse the Anti-Bac Mineral Pac once removed from the water, even if it was not used for the full 6 months. You are now ready to use Frog Leap Pool Wake Up to start up your pool for the summer. Follow the instructions in the box and watch the video using Pool Wake Up in this video series.